Hi guys, welcome to IndianExpress.com. Priyanka Jagga's ouster from the Bigg Boss house created a lot of ripples, but now there's a new week, Monday episode. We saw luxury budget task. A lot happened in yesterday's episode. There was a different kind of luxury budget task which happened. I have with me Arushi who will tell us exactly what happened.
So I think Bigg Boss is up for making some troubles in the Bigg Boss house since he cannot handle that calm atmosphere in the house, and so he gives a task to Bani and Gaurav wherein they have to answer some questions. For them, these questions were from the live audience, but these questions were from the housemates of the Bigg Boss house. So later we saw that both of them had to clarify a lot of things, why they didn't take a stand when all this Priyanka Jagga episode happened in the house, and contestants look quite upset with both of them since they felt that Bani was somewhere supporting Priyanka Jagga. But I don't think that was the scene, because Bani was clear on this that nobody ever told me that this is an official boycott, and she didn't misbehave with me.
The contestants later on said that these two were not, they were giving diplomatic answers, they were not being true to themselves. What do you think? Was it true, or you thought that they were actually...
No, I think I have seen Bani always like this. She has been very much straightforward. She has told everyone what she feel about them on their faces. And Gaurav is like that. He has always been safeguarding his image in the house. He has been playing that actor in the house. So I suppose that both of them were being themselves in the confession room as well.
Yeah. So apart from that, when we saw the entire house turning against Bani and Gaurav for playing diplomatic and giving very, very thoughtful answers, not giving honest answers, we saw Rohan. For once, Rohan taking a stand and supporting Bani. He said that no, she was saying what she felt. You thought that was a pretty nice move, that he was finally speaking up?
Yeah, finally he has taken a stand. Maybe the thought of being looked in the house and making his presence felt in the house has struck him. And now that he has taken a stand, Manveer is upset from him since initially he was against what Bani and Gaurav were saying. But then Rohan too had a point that I was against them for what they did wrong, but I cannot go against them for their rights.
Yeah. Apart from that, we also saw Manu and Manveer taking down on Nitibha for certain reasons, certain reaction that Nitibha gave while that live chat was on. Tell us what happened exactly.
So Nitibha was showing a shoe and was threatening Gaurav when Gaurav posed her as the weakest contestant in the house. And Manveer find it a little over the board reaction. He thought that she should not have done that, but Nitibha is not ready to listen to him, and she's like, when you can abuse, I can do such things.
So I think like Nitibha's, she's just trying hard to kind of survive in the house and just by hook or by crook make her presence felt.
Even Manoj Punjabi warns Manveer that she's taking you to get into the center stage of the game.
So let's see if we saw Manveer and Nitibha had a fallout. Manu was giving his own opinion on that. What happens exactly? How much will this week unfold towards the weekend? Let's see what happens in today's episode. Stay tuned. Keep watching IndianExpress.com.